In this lesson, you will create a wet sprinkler system and add piping to connect the sprinklers that you placed. Click the menu Browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Fire Protection Systems folder, open the file RME FP Design 02. Zoom in to the wing at the lower right of the building. Then, in the System browser, right-click the title and select View Piping, and under the Unassigned folder, expand Default Fire Protection Wet 1 System and view the Level 2 sprinklers that you placed in the building. Let's connect the sprinklers with the system. In the drawing area, select the sprinklers as shown, and from the Create Systems panel, click Fire Protection Wet. After you do, notice that in the System browser, all the selected sprinklers have now been moved from the default Fire Protection Wet folder to a new System folder named Fire Protection Wet within the Piping Systems folder. Next, we'll create the initial layout. Right-click Fire Protection Wet 1 and click Select. Then click the Piping Systems tab, and from the System Tools panel, click Edit System. On the options bar, for system name, enter FP Wet Zone 2. Then click Finish Editing System. Then select one of the sprinklers in the system, and from the Layout panel, click Generate Layout. Then click Place Base, and click in the upper right corner of the stairwell to place the base component as shown. The base component provides a source for the fire protection system. On the options bar, for diameter, select 2 inches, and for offset, enter -12 feet. Then click Solutions and use the arrow keys to view all the solutions and select Solution 5. Next, we'll modify this layout. Click Modify and select the horizontal layout path connecting to the base point, and drag the parallel control up to a point between the office and corridor walls and the corridor sprinklers as shown. Click Finish Layout and the pipe run geometry will be created. Let's view the system in 3D. In the project browser, under FP Design 3D Views, double-click the view 3D Fire Protection. Zoom in to the area with the sprinkler system, and if necessary, click the View tab, and from the Graphics panel, click Thin Lines. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.